You watched the last video, you bought the right purple shampoo, you left it on long enough, and it helped, but it's still not enough. Purple shampoo got you here, but you want to be here. There's a gap, and there's a reason that gap exists. Purple shampoo has a ceiling, and when you hit that ceiling after 28 years in the chair, I know exactly what comes next. It's time to bring out the big guns. Demi permanent toner, what salons use, done at home in under 30 minutes. Let me explain exactly why purple shampoo stops working at a certain point and what you need to do instead. Purple shampoo only deposits pigment on top of the hair cuticle. It washes out in 1 or 2 shampoos. That is its limit. Demi permanent toner goes inside the hair shaft. It bonds to the cortex. That's why it lasts 4 to 6 weeks instead of 1 wash. Purple shampoo lasts 1 to 2 washes. Demi permanent toner lasts 4 to 6 weeks. Same goal, completely different result. This is what I used on every single client for 28 years. Not purple shampoo, Demi permanent toner, every single time. The Wella Color Charm toner line is what I recommend. Professional grade, under $15. Link in the description. Now here's where most women make their biggest mistake. Grabbing the wrong toner for their specific hair level. Your hair has a level, a number that tells you how light it is. This decides exactly which toner you need. T18 White Lady for platinum and very light blonde level 9 to 10. The most popular toner on YouTube for a reason. T15 Pale Beige Blonde for warm light blonde at level 8, softens warmth without going too ashy. Quick reference, T18 for platinum, T14 for golden, T15 for warm light, T28 for medium. Screenshot this right now. Hold a strand of your hair up to natural light, match it to the chart that tells you exactly which toner to buy. Here's the part nobody talks about. What do you do when your hair has both orange and yellow tones at the same time? Highlighted hair often has multiple tones, orange near roots, gold in the middle, yellow at the ends, very common. All 4 toners are linked in the description below with my recommendations for which one suits which hair level. Now here is the part nobody talks about. What do you do when your hair has both orange and yellow tones at the same time? A lot of highlighted hair has multiple tones at once, orange near the roots, gold in the middle, yellow at the ends. This is very common. When you have both tones, you identify the dominant middle tone, the one that is most visible. That is what you neutralize first. If your dominant tone is gold, start with T14 Silver Lady. It targets gold directly. Step 1, use T14 to knock out the dominant gold and orange. Step 2, maintain with purple shampoo for any remaining yellow. That 2-step approach handles even the most complex brassiness. Tackle the dominant tone first. Before you touch your hair, you need 5 things. Don't skip any of them. Item 1, your chosen toner. T18, T14, T15, or T28. Item 2, 10 volume developer. Not 20, not 30, 10 volume only. Higher volumes will damage your hair and strip your color. The mixing ratio is 1 part toner to 2 parts developer, 1 ounce toner, 2 ounces developer. Item 3, a mixing bowl. Mix your toner and developer together until fully combined before you touch your hair. Item 4, a color brush. This gives you even application section by section. Do not use your hands. Everything in the complete kit is linked in the description at every price point. Budget and professional options included. All right, kit is ready. Here is the complete step-by-step. Follow this exactly and you will not go wrong. Step 1, start on towel dried damp hair. Not dripping wet, not bone dry. Damp gives the most even result. Step 2, mix your toner and developer in the bowl. 1 part toner, 2 parts developer. Mix until fully combined. Step 3, apply with your brush starting at the most brassy areas first, usually mid-lengths and ends. Work through every section completely. Apply the roots last. They process faster from body heat. Step 4, Set your timer for 20 to 30 minutes. Check your hair every 5 minutes after the first 15. You will see the color changing as it processes. The longer it sits, the more neutral it gets. Stop at your desired tone. Do not leave it on longer than 30 minutes. Overtoned hair goes gray and ashy. Check it every 5 minutes. Step 5, rinse thoroughly until the water runs completely clear. This is important, do not rush. Rinse the conditioner with cool water to seal the cuticle and lock the toner in. You just did the hard work. Now protect it. Aftercare determines how long your results actually last. Do not shampoo for 48 hours after toning. The toner needs time to fully bond inside the hair shaft. Shampoo too early and it fades fast. After 48 hours, color-safe, sulfate-free shampoo only. Regular shampoo strips toner fast. Linked in the description below. Maintain your toner result with Purple shampoo once a week. This extends your toner results significantly between applications. With proper aftercare, your toner lasts 4 to 6 weeks. Without it, 1 to 2 weeks. The aftercare is not optional. Here is exactly what you should expect to see when the toner works correctly and what it means if something looks off. Your hair will look darker than expected. Immediately after rinsing, this is completely normal. It lightens as it dries. Wet versus dry makes a huge difference. Let your hair dry completely before judging the result. You will be pleasantly surprised. Too ashy? You left it on too long? Use a moisturizing mask. If there is still slight warmth remaining, that is perfectly fine. They'll maintain with Purple shampoo weekly and tone again in 4 to 6 weeks. Let's recap. Damp hair, mix 1 to 2. Apply mid-lengths first, then roots last. 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse, conditioner only. No shampoo, conditioner only. No shampoo for 48 hours. That's the system. This is the difference between Purple shampoo and Pro Toner. Every single product I mentioned, toner, developer, bowl, brush, gloves, aftercare, all linked in the description below. The Wella T18 remains my #1 recommendation after 28 years. Most searched, most used, most trusted. Link is below. And remember, toner always needs 10 volume developer, never one without the other. Both are linked in the description. Drop a comment, which toner are you using? T18, T14, T15, or T28? Watch this next. Are you using Purple shampoo wrong? I promise this will change everything about your routine. Hit subscribe and the bell for a brand new professional hair secret every single day. Hair boss at home. 28 years in the chair, know your hair, grow your hair.